Having trouble adding a driver in your Tesla app? You're not alone. This video will guide you through troubleshooting why the Add Driver option might be missing. This often stems from account permission issues or sync problems between the app, Tesla's servers, and your vehicle. We'll cover practical steps to get you back on track, drawing from recent Tesla updates and community solutions. Tesla accounts operate on a primary owner and secondary driver model. The primary owner holds the main account and controls access permissions for the vehicle. Secondary drivers are additional users who can access the vehicle but require explicit permission from the primary owner to be added. Permission for new drivers is granted through an invite link generated in the Tesla app by the primary owner. If you're not seeing the Add Driver option, ensure you're logged in as the primary owner. Check your account profile settings to confirm your account role. For Android devices, the Tesla app needs several key permissions to work properly. Location permission helps track your vehicle and enables accurate navigation features. Notifications allow the app to send important alerts about your car's status and security. The Nearby Devices permission is crucial for Bluetooth pairing, allowing seamless connection between your phone and Tesla. On iOS devices, the Tesla app requires location permission for vehicle tracking and location-based services. Additionally, home access is necessary for HomeLink integration, which lets your Tesla control compatible garage doors and home automation devices. Denied permissions can prevent important features from working, such as adding a driver to your Tesla account. To check and enable permissions, open your phone's Settings app, locate the Tesla app in the list, and make sure location, notifications, and other required permissions are turned on. Synchronization issues are a major cause of the Add Driver problem. Your app needs to communicate with Tesla's servers to update account information. Start by clearing the app's cache and restarting your device. Log out and back into the Tesla app to refresh your authentication token. Ensure you have a stable internet connection, and if using a VPN, temporarily disable it to rule out network interference. If basic troubleshooting fails, try enabling advanced sync in your Tesla account settings if available. Some users have reported success using a VPN to bypass ISP throttling that might interfere with Tesla servers at tesla.com. Ensure your firewall isn't blocking Tesla's endpoints, such as 192.168.11. This step helped a user after updating to Android OS 15. In some cases, the issue requires intervention from Tesla support. If you've exhausted all other options, contact Tesla's customer service. They may need to perform a manual back-end adjustment to resolve conflicting Tesla accounts or other server-side problems. This is especially common in households with multiple Tesla vehicles linked to the same email. Tesla is moving towards AI-driven troubleshooting to predict and prevent sync issues. Future app updates may include decentralized account management, reducing reliance on central servers, and improving reliability in areas with poor connectivity. Biometric integration for driver verification is also on the horizon, enhancing security. Keep your app updated to benefit from these improvements. To summarize, fixing the Add Driver Not Showing issue in your Tesla app, start by ensuring you're the primary account holder with full permissions to add secondary drivers. As the primary account holder, you have the authority to invite and manage secondary drivers through the app's account settings. Both Android and iOS require specific permissions like location, notifications, and nearby devices for the Tesla app to function properly and sync driver information. Clear the app cache, restart your device, and ensure stable internet connection to resolve synchronization issues between the app and Tesla's servers. Enable advanced sync and account settings, check for network issues, or contact Tesla support for back-end adjustments if basic troubleshooting fails. Remember that outdated app versions and denied permissions are the most common causes of the Add Driver Not Showing issue. By following these steps, you can efficiently manage drivers and enjoy seamless access to your Tesla vehicle.